As minor planet discoveries are confirmed, they are given a permanent number by the IAU's Minor Planet Center, and the discoverers can then submit names for them. Following the IAU's naming conventions, the list below concerns those minor planets in the specified number range that have received names and explains the meanings of those names. The official naming citations have been published in MPC's Minor Planet Circulars and in Lutz D. Schmadel's Dictionary of Minor Planet Names. Meanings marked with or are from legacy sources may contain errors. 90,001, 90,100, 90,101, 90,200. Back to top. 90,201, 90,300. Back to top. 90,301, 90,400. Back to top. 90,401, 90,500. Back to top. 90,501, 90,600. Back to top. 90,601, 90,700. Back to top. 90,701, 90,800. Back to top. 90,801, 90,900. Back to top. 90,901, 91,000. Back to top. References.